There are almost a million various ways for people to earn more profit or generate a passive income. All you need to do is give yourself a little push. It's always wonderful to have some additional money. It's much better to make extra money without having to do much. There are millions of various ways for people to make money or earn a passive income online. However, with so many get-rich-fast schemes and other shady services available, it can be difficult to determine which ones are legitimate. Still, this does not mean that there aren't wonderful and trustworthy places to start earning some extra cash. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how a yes can make you $15 bonus. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Earn money by a simple click. We have excellent news for you if the notion of earning money online has you feeling overwhelmed. It is now easier than ever to begin making money. Companies are making it simple and easy for people to make money through a variety of online programs. Today's most popular ways to earn money are online retailers, pay-per-click, and get-paid-to schemes. While you may not want it to be your sole source of income, these are all feasible strategies to begin earning a reasonable living. Not only may you earn from these programs, but they are also free to join and have a track record of success. Furthermore, there are websites where you can get paid to play games, take surveys, watch adverts, click on information, and other activities. Where to begin? Yes, there are numerous scammers out there. Many people who seek to generate money online without first conducting study fall into traps. For example, many bogus websites need you to watch advertisements or complete surveys yet do not pay you. To begin, it's important to understand how these programs can truly make you money. Many people choose to use pay-per-click sites, commonly known as PPC. These websites generate revenue by selling ad space on their platform. PPC sites allow advertisers to contact millions of potential customers and convince customers to participate by paying them to view the adverts. It's a two-way street in which everyone wins. There are numerous opportunities to begin earning money immediately. However, it is critical to investigate and analyze any program before using it, as there are as many scammers as there are trustworthy websites. Invisibly. It is revolutionizing the way people make money online. Today, data is one of the most valuable commodities. The truth is that anytime you engage with the internet, big tech is gathering your data behind the scenes. Their goal is to use your data to learn more about you so that they can personalize your feed and improve sales and profits. While big tech profits, customers are left behind and do not receive a share of the profits generated by the personal information they supplied. Invisibly compensates big tech for the data you generate and share. We believe it is vital that you receive a percentage of the transactions that occur behind the scenes. Your time and data are the most valuable commodities today. Why not keep a share of the income as compensation for your efforts in building the algorithm? Every interaction with your Invisibly stream gets you a point, and curating it earns you up to 20 points every day. Every 100 points is worth $1, and when you achieve 500 points, we make it simple to cash out. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known GPT site. To date, it has paid over $532 million in cash and free gift cards to customers. The site is somewhat unique in that it provides numerous opportunities to earn on one page. They provide a variety of money-making options, such as doing paid surveys, watching advertising, and participating in paid-to-click links and emails. You can also distract yourself by playing games or simply exploring the internet. Reading emails remains the most popular Swagbucks activity for many members. When you sign up for Swagbucks, you will start receiving promotional emails in your Swagbucks inbox. You can easily earn money by clicking links in the emails and visiting advertiser websites from there. This allows you to earn Swagbucks, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards via PayPal. The only catch is that some of these links in emails need you to make purchases before you can earn money from them. While many do not, this is something to keep an eye out for in their advertisements. Neobucks. Neobucks works a little differently than other PTC and GPT services out there. You select a membership package, then you sign up for Neobucks. This impacts how much money you will make per click, the number of advertising you view, and the quality of the ad you see. You can earn roughly $0.015 per link click and ad view with the free standard Neobucks membership. While the starting amount is tiny, there is no limit to how many adverts or links you can watch or click on with Neobucks. You can increase your earnings by upgrading your membership. A golden membership costs $90 per year and allows you to earn small commission on each click. Despite this, Neobucks can be handy due to its modest payment amount. To pay out, you only need to earn $2. The problematic part is that Neobucks does not use traditional cash-out services such as PayPal. Instead, they use Skrill or Neteller. Therefore, you must have an account with one of these to earn. Inbox Dollars. It is a GPT service with numerous methods to make money. You can still get paid through PayPal cash-outs or earn gift cards by completing certain tasks. Inbox Dollars operates by sending you emails that pay you to read. Many come from large corporations and well-known brand names in search of exposure. Inbox Dollars will also pay you to play games, complete marketing surveys, and click affiliate advertising. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is another excellent way to make money online rapidly. They offer a $2 minimum payout, just like Neobucks. Fortunately, they provide a greater range of payment options. You can make payments via Skrill, Payeer, or even Bitcoin. Scarlet Clicks gives you the option to earn money in a variety of methods. They agree to pay users to fill out online forms, click links to adverts, and even introduce pals. Every click could earn you about 1 cent. In addition, you may earn up to 100% of each referral's earnings. To begin earning with us, you must first choose a membership package. The amount you might withdraw every time is determined by the plan you select. The regular plan allows you to withdraw roughly $5 every transaction. However, depending on what you pay for, you can extract somewhere between $10 to $50 with the higher plans. Overall, considering they had paid out roughly $2 million to their 77,000 subscribers, the payout isn't awful. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash operates in the same manner as many other pay-per-click websites. It has the typical method of earning money, such as clicking on advertising, links, and so on. However, there is one significant difference. You can earn money by installing smartphone apps. One disadvantage of this site is that it is only available in America. Furthermore, you can only withdraw your money once you have reached a minimum of $25 on the platform. This may be difficult to achieve because the average daily earnings for most users is 2 cents. Still, it is a viable option for people wishing to supplement their income. You get a $5 reward for registering, and you can make more quickly by referring others. You can earn up to $1 once you verify their email and $2 when they complete their first offer by inviting individuals in your network to join. Get Paid. Get Paid is about as straightforward as the name says. They are a pay-per-click site that has made the process easier. They are distinguished by the usage of a coin system. Essentially, every activity you do earns you a penny. You can do everything from complete out surveys to enter prizes and win contests. The wonderful thing is that you can cash out your money via PayPal, eliminating the need to download a less popular system like Skriller. They have a referral system just like many other websites. On average, you might receive 20 to 30% of the earnings of your referrals. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.